Hey y'all, we have chicken sandwiches tonight. So let's dig in. Oh my gosh, this is hard to. Okay, let's dig in. Oh my gosh.
What kind
We
of
have
buns
these
are they?
keto buns. Really good. They taste the same as a regular bun.
Like what kind of brand though?
Keto. I think they just say keto.
Oh, I thought they were.
What's Dave's? Oh, Dave's Killer Bread? No.
No?
Mm-mm. They're not the same brand.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I see.
Literally tastes like Chick-fil-A.
Have the chicken?
Bear.
Messy.
Bear nuggets and Nature's Own buns.
Just Bear.
Mm-hmm.
Which, we love their nuggets too. It tastes like Chick-fil-A.
Really does.
Let's do a little dip in Chick-fil-A. Oh my gosh, my sandwich is like...
That's why I cut mine in half, man.
Mm-hmm.
I even put some mustard on my plate.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm. What was that? A pickle?
Right.
Oh, dang. That was a crispy one.
Crunchy, crunchy fry.
Mm-hmm.